Hi guys, George here. We have a new project. It's 2012 Aston Martin Vintag. The client has the second such model and the same problem. Due to the specific mechanism of opening the roof between the awning and the rear view glass, the material breaks, after which rainwater gets inside the cabin.
The Aston Martin Vantage is one of the most iconic sports cars produced by the legendary British automaker. Here are some interesting facts about the Aston Martin Vantage. The Vantage name dates back to the 1950s and has been used by Aston Martin to designate higher performance versions of its models. The first car to bear the name was the DB2 Vantage in 1951.
In fact, it is a quick job and we spent about 5 hours. We used a special glue and drying takes about 2 hours.
Over the years, the Vantage has been available with both V8 and V12 engines. The V8 Vantage comes with a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 sourced from Mercedes as a Yamgi, while the V12 version features Aston Martin's naturally aspirated or turbocharged 5.2-liter V12, offering immense power and performance. The roof mechanism in the Vantage Roadster is one of the fastest in the world for a convertible sports car. It can be lowered in just 6.7 seconds and raised in 6.8 seconds, class-leading performance for a convertible roof.
Done deal. Urethane adhesive, often used for attaching convertible tops to frames or for bonding glass, like windshields and rear windows. It provides strong adhesion, flexibility, and durability.
The 2020 Aston Martin Vantage V8 can reach a top speed of 195 miles per hour, 314 kilometers per hour, and accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. The V12 versions of the Vantage are even faster. The Aston Martin Vantage is a blend of luxury, performance, and heritage, making it a truly iconic sports car in the automotive world.
To get more information, please call me at 310-435-8417.